box is quite heavy, so I have no idea what inside. So I would like to do this unboxing with you guys. 나 ambil vaksinnya. I already got 2 second dose. I kasih lari saya punya laptop dulu ah. You jangan main-main ah. Okay. Lepas tu saya ada tempat loh. 이거 보여주면 안 돼요. Right now. 둥둥둥둥. 우와, 이거 뭔지 몰라요. 이거 보여요? Can you? Sangat handsome. Siapa sangat handsome? Jagung. Okay. So, what should I open first? 우와, 이거 너무 많은 것 같은데? 자, 다음은 이거 먼저 열겠습니다. 이거 약간 베개 같은데? 우와, 베개요. 근데 어떻게 와, 여기 뒤에도 있어요. 아이색 VKM 헤바. 이거 어떻게 열어야지? 우와. 오케이. 이거 어떻게 이거지? Just like butterfly, you can go through great deals of darkness, deals인가? Of darkness, yet still be 뭐지? Still 이거 뭐라고 해야지? Still beginning가? 아닌데. Still. 이거 뭐 해야 돼요? 뭐 이거요? You still more something beautiful가 because beautiful and living freely. 자, 이거 이렇게 하는 거죠. So the next one is. Oh my gosh, Isaac is gone. Oh my god, Isaac is gone. Isaac is gone. Okay, Isaac, come back. Dun. Okay. Amazing Prince Isaac. Oh, sexy. You see? This guy looks so sexy. 여기 뒤에도 있어요. Isaac VKM 해봐. 와, thank you. 사랑해요. 저도 사랑. Thank you so much. 와, 여기 제 사진 있어요. 여기도 제 사진 있어요. That's me. Okay, I will read it later. And then we got such a cute pic. Like photo card. Photo card I got a lot. Do you eat chocolate? Yeah, I do. It's from Zalora. 어떻게 열어야지? 이거는 Zalora 옷이 아닌가요? If from Zalora, it means clothes. 짠. 우와, 이거 뭐예요? 안 되는데. 와, 여기 하나. Camera Highland keychain, which is so cute. 와, 너무 귀엽다. 잠시만. Okay, this is me again. And this is a letter. To my my love, please stay happy every day. As long as you are happy, I'll be happy too. I always believe that you are a amazing person. So keep on going to be amazing and more amazing for every single day. Butterfly, you. Wow, you got so this kind of the letter is first time I received like in a kind version one. Not my squid game. Okay, I'll read the letter later. Thank you. Wow. Okay, so that's me. It's me. 잠시만. 어떡해요? Okay, I should look at it later. Thank you so much. And then this is so cute. You see? This is so cute. Isaac Hebat. You see, this is so cute. Wow. Dinosaur. Thank you. 여기. 이거 너무 귀여워요. Thank you so much. 자, 다음은 여기 간식들. So this is the 무겁다. Snacks, yeah, snacks. 糖果好多，对啊。这不懂什么，这蛮重的。Okay, I will. Oh, the garlic. Which 이거 뭐였지? Garam bulu. Garam bulu. Garlic what? It's like a tablet. It's like a tablet, something tablet. And then this is mini cafe. Garam bulu. And then garam bulu again, but different. Garam bulu again. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다. And then this is gula. Wow, thank you so much. 자. Okay, next. Oh, there's a cocoa pie with strawberry flavor. Bulu, not bulu. Huh? Bulu, not bulu. It's bulu. 이거 여기서 넣어야지. In isolation. Not bulu. So is it Garam bulu? Bulu. So not bulu, it's bullo. So how should I pronounce bullo? Bullo. It pronounced bullo. Garam bullo. 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 Not bulu. Garam bullo, bukan bulu. I thought it's bulu. Oh wait, guys, I'm going to. If you just see it, it's shoes. But okay, let's guess the color of the shoes, guys. Sila. What is guess? What is guess in Malay? Can anyone help me? What is guess? Rebut, no rebut. What is guess? Guess. Guess. Tekan. Tekan. Cuba teka apa color kasut ini. Kalau kamu jawab correct, saya akan kasih kamu surprise. Putih, black. Bukan tekan. Color biru. Okay, so there's a biru, pink, black, white, purple, red, white, and then black, blue, pictures, gold, green, neon green, and then orange. Okay, I would like to guess this is, let's guess it, white color, I guess. Oh no. Let's guess. Oh, 무슨? Let's guess black, blue. Let's guess black and white. Okay. 아니다. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 아직 안 보여요. 자, since you have chance to change it, okay? Okay, so this is, and this is a letter, and then this is me again. Oh. Putih. I guess it's black and white. Okay, so I will open. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! 제가 맞았어요. Wow, it's black and white. But there's a little gray color over here. And then the bottom it's like 뭐라고 해야지? The bottom is like, I don't know how to say it. 근데 너무 큰 거 같은데. Let me try first. Nam Sabrina size off, but I can't show. So if you want, I will give you a present. Okay, wait. I'll give you a present. Wait. Thank you so much. This is my present for you. Present flying kiss. 됐어요. No, I love bubble tea until my mom say that I'm crazy. Jerung Ping is so handsome. I'm not Jerung, I am Jagung. Okay, Jagung. Okay, that's next one. It's this one. This one, I guess it's I don't know what is this, but it's something like, I don't know what is this, but oh, okay, there's a letter, and then so this is the instruction of, which is the fans made it for me. Cara makan untuk orang sihat bagi pencegahan daripada COVID. Cara makan untuk orang yang positif COVID atau kontak rapat. Oh, so this is it's something like coffee, I guess. It's something like coffee. And then there's what is this? Morning A? What is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? Digunakan secara tradisional untuk membuang angin dan melegakan kembung perut. Ah, okay, so I know what it means. It means like if you have a lot of kentut untuk kentut, if you have a lot of air, what do we say, the angin, ubat, so it's written over here, so our buang angin, yeah. So I will try to read it later. Thank you. 와, 이거 단 냄새. It's all sweets of wangi. Sweets wangi. So there's my picture again. And then there's a letter again. I'll try to read it later. Wow. Daily, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's all sweets and wow. It's all sweets and then sweets and then sweets and then marshmallow. Well, there's a lot of things. I can't grab it out one by one. Oh, I would like to eat one Mentos. Thank you so much for all of the sweets and chocolate. Nanti sakit gigi. Yeah, so everyone, please remember, after you eat something sweet or chocolate, please brush your teeth, okay? What time? 뭐요? This is chocolate? Oh, so there's my picture again with the it's something like Cocoa Crunch, choco rice, choco jar. And then there's a game to play. If you are happy, you know it. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay, so there's a game over here. Find 5 choco albab in word below. Okay, let me find first. Okay, here's 1 chocobab. 1. It's so hard. Choco plus bubble rice. This is like a bag. My bag. Thank you for the choco rice. Okay, so